Hey everybody, this is Elizabeth at Dandelion Soap Herb Shop, and I thought I'd bring you guys outside while it's beautiful here. It's about 54 degrees outside, and go over a few of our wild edibles and show you what we've got. You guys recognize all of this. Wild onions. Now the great thing about wild onions is these are totally edible too. And they look just like chives, and they are in the onion family, so they have allium, and allium's good for pain relief, inflammation, swelling, things like that. So you could actually put these in your tossed salad. Just know that this is going to be your onion replacement, and also know that if you dry these, you could put these on a baked potato. You know, all the things that you put this on your salad for your onions, like chives. You can dry these, but the wild onions, they're delicious. Just know that that's the onion part. So if you're eating a salad, you know, you want to be aware of that.